Hi students, in this video I'm going to start the new topic topology. So the new topic is topology. Here we have to know about the basic definitions for topology and open set, closed set, discrete and indiscrete topologies and examples on topology. So here first we have to define the topology. What do you mean by topology? So here we have to consider a non-empty set X and TVA topology on X, then it satisfies the four conditions. One is empty set belongs to the toe and the given set X is also belongs to the toe, and arbitrary union of two members of toe is again a member of toe, and the fourth condition is finite intersection of two members of toe is again a member of toe. So here that topology can be denoted by capital T or toe, or we may write it as this type, Italian T. So the topology definition can be defined as a non-empty set X and we call it as toe or T, TBA topology on X if it satisfies the following conditions. The conditions are: first condition is empty set, that is null set belongs to toe. Second condition, the given non-empty set, that is X is also belongs to toe. Then third condition is arbitrary union of members of toe, arbitrary union of two members of toe is again a member of toe. Then fourth condition is finite intersection of two members of toe is again a member of If it satisfies all these conditions, then the toe is called as the topology on X. By using the example, we perfectly knows how the toe is called as the topology on X. So here we have to consider the example. Example is X is equal to, and here this pair X and toe is called as the open set, and the space is called as the topological space. And the already I told that is topology can be denoted by capital T or like this or Italian T. So uh, so here we have to consider as capital T as tau. Here we defined as it is null set belongs to tau or X belongs to tau or arbitrary union of members of tau is again a member of tau. You may call it as tau or T, but it indicates that is topology. So here we consider the example is X is equal to a non-empty set A, B, C, D, and T can be defined as null set X singleton A, singleton B and singleton C and comma singleton AB, set BC, set AC and set ABC, or we have to consider as ABD. Okay, just consider here the given example is X is equal to ABCD and T can be defined as, or topology can be defined as null set and X singleton A, singleton B, singleton C and set AB, set BC, set AC and set ABC, and we defined it as ABD. Here we have to check for all members of this set tau is satisfies these four conditions. Okay, so here first condition is empty set belongs to tau. Already the tau can be defined as starting set we will consider as null set only. So null set belongs to tau. It satisfies. The second condition is X belongs to tau. X belongs to tau means it is X can be defined as A, B, C, D, and already here we have to consider X in the set tau. So second condition is also satisfied. Then third condition, arbitrary union of two members of tau is again a member of tau. Here we have to check these two conditions, third and fourth condition, for all the members of tau. If I can consider singleton A and singleton B, union of these two terms are AB, it is already existing tau, and singleton B union singleton C, again it is BC, then already it is existing tau, and next will be singleton A and singleton C, union of these two sets is nothing but set AC, already it is exist. Then next remaining union of A, B and C is again union of A, B, C, and here it is this term can be left it at. The next fourth condition is finite intersection of two members of tau is again a member of tau. So here we have to consider singleton A intersection null set, singleton A intersection null set, it is empty set only, already it is exist, and X intersection A, then X elements are A, B, C, D, so intersection of these two terms are nothing but A, again it is exist in tau. The next intersection of A and B is nothing but empty set, already it is exist. Then intersection of B and C, it is also a null set, already it is exist. Intersection of C and AB, it is also empty set. C intersection of B and AB is B, already it is there. And intersection of B comma C and intersection of AC is nothing but C, already it is also exist. So all the four conditions are satisfied therefore we called it as this toe is topology on X. So here we have to consider the example as we have to write it as first condition, empty set belongs to toe, already it is there. Second condition, X belongs to toe, already it is also there. Then third condition, arbitrary union. If suppose I have to consider D term, then A union D, that is A set AD, but that set AD is not existing this toe, then we cannot call it as the topology. This T is topology on X. So for that we have to check for each and every set. So here the third condition can be considered as arbitrary union of members of toe is again a member of toe. So here we consider X, null set union X, that is X, already it is there in toe, and X union A, it is also there in toe. The next set A union set B is nothing but AB, it is also there in topology T. So similarly here we write it as null set union X union AB C and union AB D, which is equal to AB C D. This is nothing but ABCD is nothing but X. This X is again a member of toe. Therefore, here the third condition is also satisfied. Every member of arbitrary union of two members of toe is again a member of toe. Not only two, we have considered more than two members. Then also we get the element which is belongs to the topology toe. So the fourth condition is finite intersection of members of toe. Finite intersection of members of toe is again a member of toe. So here we have to consider intersection A intersection B, which is equal to empty set, that is belongs to toe, and here it is intersection A B D intersection A B C. Then it is common elements are AB. This set is also an element of toe, or we write it as A intersection BC. Again here it is, we get the term as which is equal to null set, which is also element of toe. By checking all these four condition, we get it as this toe is the topology on X. This is the example how to define the topology toe on X. So here first they are given the non-empty set, then they define the T. After T, we have to check this T is topology on X or not. For that we have to consider four conditions. First and second is easy, that is null set, and the given non-empty set is also an element of T. Then next third and fourth condition is arbitrary union of members of toe is again a member of toe, and the fourth condition is finite intersection of members of toe is again a member of toe. If this given T satisfies following these four conditions, then it is called it as topology T on X.